welcome to our channel Barabar Dostulu. Today I want to speak about Teachers Day. As we all know, in India, 5th September is celebrated as Teachers Day as a mark of tribute to the contribution made by teachers to the society. 5th September is the birth anniversary of great teacher Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a staunch believer of education and was a well-known diplomat, scholar, the second president of India, and above all, a teacher. Actually, this has started when some of his students and friends approached him and requested him to allow them to celebrate his birthday. Then he said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday separately, it would be my proud privilege if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day." From then onwards, the 5th of September has been observed as Teachers' Day in India.
Nowadays, few students are taking teachers and their hardship on a lighter note. But in our video, we'll be showing few moments that popped out on social media during this corona period while conducting online classes. This shows their passion towards teaching and how creative they are.
The COVID situation has shifted the education to virtual classrooms. Though online teaching is the best available option right now, it is very challenging for many teachers. The picture that is showing here, it shows a teacher using refrigerated tray to teach her students. A Pune teacher made a DIY tripod to take online classes from home, which has gone pretty viral. What she has done is, she has attached her phone to a hanger which was hung upside down from the roof with the help of some cloth strings. Even in order to avoid the phone from shaking, she has also tied the hanger to a chair with the cloth strings. Pretty amazing idea, madam. You're quite innovative. Ajay Eshpal, a chemistry teacher who has found a creative way to teach kids the periodic table in a very funny and easy way.
तो हाउ डू वी प्रपोज, एक बंदा एक बंदी को प्रपोज कैसे करेगा ये देखते हैं बेटे। उसको कभी भी क्या कर रहा है बेटे, डायरेक्ट प्रपोज नहीं करना, फूल पत्ती नहीं देने का, ग्रीटिंग कार्ड नहीं देने का। उसे क्या करो, पीरियोडिक टेबल सिखाओ। उसे क्या करेंगे बेटे, पीरियोडिक टेबल सिखाएंगे और उसे सुनाएंगे क्या, सुनो तुम विवाह कर लो मुझसे। क्या बोला है मैंने, सुनो तुम विवाह कर लो मुझसे, फिर कोई नहीं कहेगा जानू। आई रिपीट, ध्यान से बेटे, क्या कहा मैंने, सुनो तुम विवाह कर लो मुझसे, फिर कोई नहीं कहेगा जानू। तो मुझको लगता है ये लाइन भी याद हो जाएगी, बल्कि आपको लिख लिख के प्रैक्टिस नहीं करना, दिल पे छप जाएगी बेटे, याद हो जाना चाहिए। एक बार सुनकर,
They are the ones who are taking gained strides by teaching even in this tough situation and help us build our future generations. So, let's take a moment and appreciate each and every teacher for their tremendous contribution. From our side, hats off to all the teachers.